My name is Destini Bromell, and I am the middle child of my two sisters. Growing up, my dad was in the military, so we moved around a lot. This has definitely affected the way I've interacted with people. I didn't have an interest in making friends and didn't make my first best friend until the 6th grade, the same year I had to move. Due to this, I had a hard time asking for people for help or talking to people I didn't know. This has had an impact on my schoolwork because I used to be afraid to ask for help or when it came to answering problems I didn't know. I started to come out of my shell, but with the events of COVID, I slipped back into who I was. I have now started speaking out and being interactive with my peers. An accomplishment that I am proud of is being a member of Mu Alpha Theta. This is a mathematics honor society that I was able to become a member of after obtaining at least an 85 or higher in my previous math classes. This was shocking to me because I didn't know that there was a group like this, nor that I would be invited. After becoming a member of Mu Alpha Theta, my goal is to be able to qualify and join different honor societies. There is one service learning and community service project that has been most significant throughout my high school journey. The community service project was a fundraiser I did with my cousins, my grandma, and some of my church members. We plan to do it every year until the events of COVID. The service learning project that I had was about the homeless. For this project, we had to research how people became homeless and find ways we could help or donate. This project was significant to me because it helped me realize how many people are homeless and ways I could help. Extracurricular activity that was most significant during my high school journey was work. This was most significant for me because I had to learn time management by balancing my time between school and work. In 10th grade, I was struggling to do my schoolwork online and work, so I had to quit my job. This was extremely hard for me because I loved working and I was going to miss it. I went back last summer and continued to work while balancing my schoolwork. Another extracurricular activity that was most significant during my high school journey was baking. Growing up, I always had a passion for baking and enjoyed watching the Baking Championship series on TV. I started baking as a way to relieve stress as an alternative to sleeping or being on devices. As for my senior years, my plans are to find a different job that I enjoy and volunteer at a daycare since I would love working with children, and I would love work at once while I'm in college. My post-secondary goals are to attend a 4-year school and major in accounting or graduate from tech with an associate's in dental hygiene and work my way up. I chose accounting as one of my plans because since I started working, I began to develop a passion of working with money. Dental hygiene is one of my other plans because after visiting my neighbor who was a dental hygienist and she cleaned my teeth, it looked like a fun and interesting job. My first SMART goal for my senior year is to pass all of my tech classes with a grade between 90 and 100. I have until May of 2023 to accomplish this goal. I will make these grades by taking notes in class and studying every day for 15 minutes for each class. Another SMART goal I have is to apply to at least 5 colleges with a major in accounting during my senior year. I will accomplish this goal by researching and finding which schools best interest me and comparing them to other schools that have my major. I will try to do this every year of my senior year for 30 minutes. The schools that currently interest me are Charleston Southern University, South Carolina State, Coastal Carolina, and the University of South Carolina. After completing my junior exhibition, I have realized that I have grown as a student and as a person. I've developed and improved my skills such as time management, communication, and critical thinking. I am excited what my senior year has in store for me.